Well, love means to me not just like about thinking about yourself and just like thinking about everybody else in your family and your friends too. Not just about you.
Well, to me, love is an excitement, a happy feeling. I believe there are several words that can collectively define love, which is kindness, loyalty, generosity, and charity. That's what love means to me.
Love means accepting the flaws in your partner and loving them regardless. It's nice to know that the person you lay in bed with every night accepts you for who you are and knows the story behind you.
Love, it's something you can freely give to individuals, species, animals, and expect nothing in return. That's love to me.
Ek is baie lief vir my kinders. Selfs ek het 2 dogters en 2 seuns. Dit is baie pragtig om kinders te hê en om kinders lief te hê.
When you catch feelings for someone and you just like, you help them out and you just care about them. So like, if they die, you will cry.
What does love mean, my boy? What does love mean?
Okay, so what love means to me is caring for a specific someone more than others, most likely more than yourself. That's how I would see it.
First and foremostly, I am a true believer in Corinthians. Love is patient, love is kind. Aside from that, I'm a believer that love is unconditional and it's supporting your friends when they need it most. But I love my friends with all of my heart. Wow.
Having a relationship with even your neighbors. That's what love is.
Having love and gratitude mostly for yourself, because I really believe that we all must start with self, and this is the hardest journey, to be really able to love all of who you are, because that is really where the perfection of it lies. And then if you're able to do that with your whole heart, then I believe you're able to do that with others as well.
Love to me is wanting to take care of someone. You want only positive things to happen for this person, and you want to help them without expecting anything in return.
It's like walking on the sea without drowning.
It means being around people you love. Love is happiness. Love means being around people that make you happy.
Love for me is a sentiment, not able to put it into words.
I don't think words really suffice when it comes to love, because it's just so magical.
It's the warm, fuzzy feeling inside you that makes you smile uncontrollably out of the blue.
I think batho tshwantse ba dule ba ratana, whether motho ko montsho kana ko mo white, o tshwantse go be le dirato.
So I love being able to be active and look after my body.
What does love mean to you? Scratches.
Uthando. Thetha into ebalulekileyo guys. Sithi ukuthi masithandaneni as ama-Africa.
What does love mean to me? Love means to me a burning sensation, a passion that you have for another being, whether it be a human or an animal. It's unconditional love. You will go through anything for this being. You will do anything for this being to make sure they are happy before your happiness. Like my cat. Even though she irritates me, I still love her. Yes.
Love is the zebra dube from Peter Pharaoh.
Love is reading the word of God, according to the promise of the Bible for today, for this end of the world.
Love has no color boundaries. Love has no race boundaries. Love has no boundaries. You could be
You could love another woman, you could love a man, it's got no boundaries. But love is really hard to explain because the feeling you feel when you love is undescribable. When you find your true love, your soulmate, keep them. Look after them and love them just as much as they love you, if not more.
It's explaining how the water tastes like.
Love to me means unconditional, giving and receiving, but the main thing in common, the synergy there is acceptance and tolerance unconditionally.
Love to me is trust, loyalty and respect.
Love would be not taking a video of me right now.
Loved. Everyone wants to be loved.